Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your active status off on Facebook. So if you do not want your friends to know when you are active on Facebook with the little green circle, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the messenger icon at the top of Facebook where it says messenger. Go ahead and left click on that. Left click on the three-dot icon that says options, and then where it says active status, if it says on, just click inside of here one time. You can turn it off by just toggling it to the off position by clicking inside that oval one time. So your friends and connections will not see when you are active on the app. Select save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.